is Tower Gateway, where this train terminates. Please remember to take all your belongings with you. Is Tower Gateway, where this train will terminate. All change the London Underground, District and Circle lines at Tower Hill Station. Please leave the train from the right-hand side in the direction of travel.